Around this time of year, many baby animals are being born. You might see a baby rabbit hopping around, some small birds practicing how to fly, a chipmunk, or a mouse. At the farm, you might have a new baby calf, or goats, or chicks. These small animals are new to the world, so they are learning new things, just like you. It's a good idea to keep a healthy distance between you and any wild animal you might come across in nature. You don't want to scare the baby or stress the parent. One way to do that is by watching them from afar with our craft today. Today, we are making binoculars to observe the nature around us. You will need 2 toilet paper rolls or 1 long paper towel roll cut into 2, some pretty washi tape or just regular see-through tape, a hole puncher, and yarn or some ribbon. It's going to be long enough to go around your head and to the front to hold up your binoculars. We're also going to walk around in nature and pick up some things off the ground to decorate our binoculars. Let's get started. The first step is connecting our 2 rolls. So to do that, you're going to put them together like this and take a piece of tape, like this, and tape them together right between them. That's one side, and we'll do the other side. Flip it around and put that tape between them again. Like that. Now they're holding together. The word binoculars is Latin. Bin is 2 and ocular are eyes. And you use 2 eyes to look through your binoculars. The next step is we're going to use our hole puncher and punch holes on each side of our binocular. Want to count them with me? 1 and 2. 1, 2. Speaking of 2, well, you need 2 animals to come together to make a baby. 97% of the animal kingdom is only raised by one of the baby's parents. Now, families come in all shapes and sizes, so it's okay to be raised by only one parent, whether you're a baby rabbit or a baby human, as long as you have the special ingredient, which is love. Now, this next step, you might need the help from an adult because we are tying knots. Do you know how to tie a knot? Let's do one together and try it out. So, I'm going to take my ribbon, put it through the hole, like this, and then make a circle like that. And then I'm going to take the tail and push it through the hole and pull. Perfect. Now I'm going to do the other side. Let's try to make a knot together again. Push my ribbon through my hole. Make a circle. And then take my tail and put it around and through the hole and pull. Were you able to do a knot too? If you had trouble and needed the help from an adult, that's okay. You can try again next week, and then next week, and then next week. Being bad at something is the first step at getting good at something. Perfect. So my binoculars are just a little plain, so I'm gonna go out in nature, pick up some things from the ground, and decorate them. Let's go. I'm gonna take you along with me. All right, this is what I picked off the ground. I got some leaves and a flower I picked. And now I'm just gonna tape them onto my binoculars to decorate them and give them a little bit of camouflage. Now, did you know that baby animals have different names than the adult version of the animal? Just like a baby dog is called a puppy, a baby cat is called a kitten, well, a baby owl is called an owlette, a baby duck is called a duckling. One of the funny ones is that a baby rabbit is also called a kitten or a kit. Woo! All done. What do you think? How did yours come out? I see you. And I see you! There, I found one. Do you see it? In the tree branch? That is a bird's nest. Now, if you see any nests with eggs or birds inside, look from afar but do not touch. Now, the mom and birds can communicate even before the babies hatch. Just like chickens, the babies will chirp inside their eggshell and the mom will chirp back. That way, when they break out of their shell, they already know who each other sound like. I'm grateful our paths have converged for a while. I had fun learning something new with a smile. Bye for now.